Okay, friends, so today we are going to learn how to animate in ABCYA.com. So this is a game and it's set up pretty easily. If I click on this button right here, I can select a background. The first thing I want to do is add a character. So I'm going to click on stickers and then click over until I find a water creature that will fit with my background. Ooh, I love this little seahorse. Here we go. So this is my first frame, which means it's my first picture for my animation. So I'm going to start with my seahorse all the way on one side and have him swim across to the other side. So see the number 1? This is my first frame. A frame is a picture. Similar to making a flipbook animation, you need several pictures where the character slowly moves throughout the pictures to provide an animation. So this is number 1. I'm going to 2-finger click, it's called a right click, to copy the frame. Now that I'm on frame 2, I can click and drag my character just a little bit and then make another copy. And I'm going to keep doing this until I get my character all the way across the screen. So watch what happens when I get to the end. These sound effects are so cute. So now I need to move my character off the screen, right? So I'm actually going to click the character and then click delete. Now when I push play, watch my animation. My little seahorse floats across the screen. And that was so quick and so fun. You could even animate several characters or have them talk to each other. Now, once you're finished and you love your animation, you can click on this menu at the bottom and click Save Animation. If you have your own ABCYA account, you can just save your work in your account. I do not have an account, so I am going to click Save Animation. I hope you liked this tutorial and I hope you get excited about animating with me. I can't wait to see your work. Stay creative.